The astronomer Galileo Galilei, when he first looked at the sky through a telescope, discovered that the heavens were full of stars. Since that moment, our tools and ability to see have developed until, in the modern scientific era, we've been able to observe galaxies billions of light years away. We now know that our galaxy, the Milky Way, alone contains over 200 billion stars. Thanks to powerful telescopes like Hubble and Kepler, we've confirmed that these stars aren't solitary. Rather, they have planets orbiting them, just as the Earth orbits the Sun. This discovery unleashed the endeavor to search for habitable planets outside our solar system. However, for life to emerge on a planet, strict conditions must be met. First, the planet must be located within the habitable zone, which is the ideal distance from its star that allows for the existence of liquid water, where the atmosphere is neither too hot for the water to evaporate nor too cold for it to freeze. The planet must also be rocky, with an appropriate size and mass to maintain its atmosphere and retain its water. Furthermore, it is essential that it possesses an effective atmosphere that provides protection from cosmic radiation and maintains moderate temperatures through natural greenhouse effect. Welcome to Curious Facts Channel. Today we'll embark on an exciting space journey to discover candidate planets for hosting life outside our solar system. One of the most prominent exoplanets nominated to harbor life is Proxima b, located only about 4.2 light-years from Earth, making it the closest planet outside our solar system. This planet completes its orbit around its red dwarf star every 11 days, meaning its year is very short, and it orbits in an extremely close orbit, estimated at 5% of the distance between the Earth and the Sun. Despite its proximity, the luminosity emitted by the red dwarf is very faint compared to the Sun, as its energy is less than 1% of the Sun's energy. This places the planet within the habitable zone where liquid water is potentially stable. However, there is no confirmation of the actual existence of water, and scientists are also uncertain about its atmosphere's ability to withstand the nearby star, which is essential for climate regulation and maintaining a surface pressure suitable for life. Studies on Proxima b continue, and despite the absence of a definitive answer so far, hope remains high that it is the closest target for hosting life outside our solar system. The exoplanet Kepler 438b is an intriguing exoplanet that orbits an M-dwarf star, which is smaller and cooler than our Sun. This planet is characterized by a very short orbit, completing one revolution around its star in only 35 days. In terms of size, Kepler 438b is about 12% larger than Earth, and it is potentially an Earth-like rocky planet with a probability as high as 70%. However, due to its proximity to its star, it receives 40% more light than Earth does, even when compared to Venus, which receives twice the Sun's radiation as Earth. Nevertheless, estimates suggest that it might be 70% potentially habitable. As is the case with many of the Kepler telescope discoveries, the immense distance poses a significant challenge. Being located 470 light-years away makes reaching it unlikely and severely complicates acquiring additional details about it. The exoplanet Kepler 452b, famously known in the scientific community as Earth's older cousin, or Earth 2.0, orbits a G2-type star similar to our Sun. The planet is older than Earth, estimated to be about 6 billion years old, and it completes an orbit around its star every 385 days. Its diameter is approximately 50% larger than that of Earth. If we attempted to reach this planet using the speed of the New Horizons spacecraft, which travels at 59,000 kilometers per hour, it would take us about 26 million years to arrive, as it is located 1,400 light-years away from Earth. A distinguishing feature of the planet is that its distance from its Sun is only 5% greater than the distance from Earth to our Sun, which places it firmly within the habitable zone. Additionally, the star's temperature is close to that of the Sun. However, due to its mass being estimated at 5 times that of Earth and its gravity being approximately twice as strong, it is likely to have significant and ongoing volcanic activity. Nevertheless, if it is confirmed that the planet contains water, there is a high probability that it would be in a liquid state. Kepler 186f is one of the strongly nominated planets to be habitable, located at a vast distance of 500 light-years from Earth. This planet is characterized by being slightly larger than Earth by 1.06% and takes 129 days to complete an orbit around its host star. An important feature that increases its probability of habitability is that its axial tilt is stable, similar to Earth's, which suggests the possibility of regular seasons on its surface. Although its orbit is relatively close to its star, this star is cooler and has less radiation flux than our Sun, which places the planet within the habitable zone. One of the most exciting prospects for scientists is the discovery of a planet located within the habitable zone of a star characterized by quiet activity. In this context, a recent study on the star Tau Ceti, which is only 12 light-years away from Earth, revealed a stunning discovery: the existence of 5 planets orbiting it, with sizes close to that of Earth. The masses of these planets range between that of Earth and 6 times its mass, and 2 of these planets are located in the range where life conditions are potentially available. This detection was made possible thanks to highly sensitive observation techniques that can measure the minute gravitational wobbles of the star caused by the movement of the planets. Scientists suggest that the large masses of these planets might grant them enough gravity to retain an atmosphere, which enhances the possibility of life on them. If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and share the video with your friends.